July 16, 2013, two astronauts named Luca Parmitano and Chris Cassidy went on a spacewalk for the maintenance of the International Space Station. Till that time, no one knows what will happen in next half of an hour, and this spacewalk became one of NASA's scariest and smallest spacewalks ever.
Track down, but it feels like a lot of water.
As the astronauts did their task, something unexpected happened. Luca Parmitano felt a cool liquid on the back of his head. It wasn't a regular water. It was a special liquid that helps keep astronauts' bodies the right temperature in space. Parmitano quickly told the control room about the problem, but this was just the beginning of a really scary situation. The cold water started to fill his helmet, going into his eyes, nose, ears, and even his mouth, making it hard for him to breathe.
Track down, but it feels like a lot of water. Oh, I see it now, wiggling.
As time went on, things got worse. The space agency decided to stop the spacewalk and told the astronauts to go back to the safety of the airlock. Parmitano, using his training and staying calm, managed to find his way back to the airlock using only his memory because his eyes were fully covered with the water. Once inside the airlock, they discovered something shocking. Guess what? Parmitano's helmet had about 1.5 liters of water in it. It's huge, right? Its calmness during this scary time helped keep him safe. But wait, there's more to this story. A week before, on July 9th, during another spacewalk, Parmitano felt water in his suit. At that time, he thought it was just a leaky drink bag and ignored it. It turned out to be a serious problem during the next spacewalk. Luckily, both astronauts came out of this scary experience okay. Afterward, the space agency stopped all non-emergency spacewalks until they figured out what went wrong. Engineers discovered that this issue came from water forming due to the astronaut working hard and cooling settings in the suit. Luca Parmitano's adventure in space reminds us of how unpredictable space exploration can be. It also shows the incredible bravery of those who go into space, facing challenges that are hard to imagine. That's for today. We will meet in another exciting video.